Ekiombe kia Abanyagitari kurwa Sorongo rwa Nyanza nigo kimurunganire gitambo kuri serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii iyo ikoragwa n'umugabana Simba Arati kyo gutaka guchaka insurance cover y'Abanyagitari gwetera serikali y'Abanyagitari ya serikali igitambukiro ekibono batebire gikagire guche gwita NHIF ukwana nabali kyamangana omurikyo manene OKMBDU ime ya Nyanza Abanyagitari agire orwenyo nigo atianire buna etibago cyagwanche serikali eye kaunti ya Kisii konia NHIF y'Abanyagitari igochia ase abakurumi.
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Agre Orwenyo, the Secretary to the Kenya Medical Practitioners Pharmacist and Dentist Union, Nyanza branch. Our union represents the doctors of the Republic of Kenya, matters, labor relations, welfare and rights. The right to health is a fundamental human right guaranteed in the Constitution of Kenya. Article 43(1)(a) provides that every person has the right to the highest attainable standard of health, which includes the right to the healthcare services, including the reproductive healthcare. We are very displeased to note that our members continue to suffer financially, physically, and emotionally due to the perennial delay in remittances to NHIF by the county government of Kisii. Further, we are very exasperated that the NHIF annual cover elapsed on 19th October 2022, and the contract is yet to be renewed for financial year 2022-2023 by the county government of Kisii. This has left our members exposed and continue to incur huge medical expenses and emotional turmoil, for which we shall seek legal redress and billing. It's obnoxious that doctors of Kisii County offer healthcare services to the citizens of Kisii, yet they cannot access the very same services they are offering. Secondly, our attention has been drawn to a tender advertisement notice by the county government of Kisii for the provision of medical insurance cover for the Kisii County staff and their qualified dependents for a period of 12 months. This is a very clear indication of the ill-advised intention to replace NHIF, comprehensive civil servants cover, with a private entity. As doctors with experience and in-depth knowledge of the medical insurance industry in Kenya, we can confidently pronounce that NHIF civil servant scheme is the most superior cover in the market. We can confirm that the counties that have ventured in expensive and often unscrupulous private medical covers, including Nairobi City County, among others, have experienced insurmountable challenges, and some have since reverted to NHIF. As such, we will strongly object any attempt to auction the health of our members to private insurers. We wish to remind the county government of Kisii that our union, KMPDU, is always available to be consulted on any matter touching on the welfare and the rights of our members. A stakeholder engagement is paramount for matters as serious as medical cover. Finally, we demand that the NHIF contract for our members be renewed and activated immediately to avoid any further legal and adverse actions. Thank you very much.